Hello, welcome to the final module of the course Internet of Things, and we'll be talking about career development and professional practice in Internet of Things. Career development and professional practice in Internet of Things. And we will look at Internet of Things career pathways and roles. We will look at skill and competencies for Internet of Things professionals, the certification and professional development, entrepreneurship and innovation in Internet of Things. We will look at the project management in Internet of Things system, and lastly, the ethical and professional responsibilities. The Internet of Things revolution is not just about technology, it's about people. And when we talk about this, it's actually focusing on how people can come in to be able to act in Internet of Things, what we've been discussing about Internet of Things. And as Internet of Things transform industries, smart cities, healthcare, and daily life, the demand for skilled professionals have never been higher. This module prepares you to navigate the Internet of Things job markets, develop essential skills, pursue certification, and also practice ethical and responsibly. Practice ethically and responsibly. And why this actually matters is that the global Internet of Things job market is projected to grow by 20% annually. And Internet of Things role are multidisciplinary, blending hardware, software, data, and also business together. And lastly, professional success requires continuous learning, ethical awareness, and strategic career planning. So the module actually will equip you to be able to build a meaningful, future-proof career in Internet of Things, whether as an engineer, architect, manager, entrepreneur, or ethical leader. Looking at the Internet of Things career pathway, some key roles as per technical. Internet of Things is not a single job, it's an ecosystem of role, and core technical role include the Internet of Things hardware engineer, which is vested with the responsibility of designing sensor, embedded system, and also device electronics. Also have the software developer who builds firmware applications and cloud integrations. Also have the network specialist who manages connectivity like the Wi-Fi, 5G, and the Bluetooth and the like. We also have the data scientist and analyst who extract insights from Internet of Things generated big data. And lastly, we also have the security specialist, and this protects device, network, and data from cyber threats. And as per the strategic and leadership role, we have the solution architect who designs end-to-end Internet of Things system across hardware, software, and cloud. We also have the project manager who deals or oversees planning, execution, and delivery of Internet of Things projects. We also have the Internet of Things product manager, and it defines visions, roadmap, and also feature for Internet of Things products. Looking at the emerging and niche role, we have the AI or machine learning integration specialist who embeds intelligence into Internet of Things system. We also have the green Internet of Things consultant, and this focus on sustainable energy efficient Internet of Things solutions. And we also have the smart city planner who designs Internet of Things infrastructures to urban environments. And lastly, we have the Internet of Things ethicists. who ensures responsible and fair use of Internet of Things technology. And if you have to start with a strong technical foundation, then specialize based on interest as it pertains to security, data, artificial intelligence, sustainability, or leadership. What are the essential skills that are necessary for Internet of Things professionals? Looking first at the technical competence, we talk about the hardware and embedded system. Also, there is need for knowledge or technical competence in programming, in networking. There is also need in the aspect of cloud and edge computing, in the aspect of data analytics and AI, and also in aspect of cyber security. And when we talk about cyber security, encryption, authentication, securing inputs, and also threat modeling. For soft and professional skills, there is need to understand, to have skill, problem solving skill, that is the ability to troubleshoot complex interdisciplinary system. Also, there is need for project management skills in terms of Agile or Scrum, budgeting, timeline management, stakeholder communications. Such a person must also be versed in communication skill, that is the translation of technical details for non-technical audiences. And there must be a possessing of adaptability skill, and this is keeping pace with rapid Internet of Things evolution and emerging standards. Another is ethical judgment, and this deals with ensuring privacy, security, fairness, and sustainability in Internet of Things deployments. And the Internet of Things professional is a T-shaped individual, that is deep expertise in one area with broad knowledge across discipline. Looking at certification aspect and credentials, why do you need to be certified? The first one is that it validates skills to employers and clients. Also, it provides structured learning pathway. It also keeps you updated with industry standard, and lastly, it enhances earning potential and career mobility. I know this is what many people will actually want, the earning potential, enhancing of earning potential. Yes, you have to get certified. And the key Internet of Things certification include the Certified Internet of Things Practitioner, the AWS Certified Internet of Things Specialist. There is also the Microsoft Certified Azure Internet of Things Developer specialty. We also have the Cisco Internet of Things certification. We also have the CompTIA as the certification, also dealing with vendor neutral Internet of Things fundamental. And also we have the industrial Internet of Things certification. And additionally, valuable credentials include the cybersecurity. Under cybersecurity, the CISSP, the CEH, Security Plus, and other under data and AI, Google Cloud Data Engineer, Microsoft AI Engineer also, and for project management, the PMP, Prince 2, Agile certification are very important. So you have to choose certification which aligns with your career path as per cloud, security, data, or hardware. For professional development strategies, lifelong learning is non-negotiable when it comes to Internet of Things, and you need to have formal education. Also, there is need for online learning platforms. You need to learn from like the likes of Coursera, LinkedIn Learning for Internet of Things courses, the Udacity EDX. These are online learning platforms where you can get yourself developed professionally in terms of Internet of Things. Another is the hand-on practice, that is home lab with home labs, having home labs or joining home labs. Another is the industry conference and workshop. Also, the professional communities also is another way of developing yourself professionally. And lastly is research and contributions, that is publishing of paper, contributing to open source Internet of Things projects, and being present at conferences. And for you to be able to build your portfolio, you need to document projects. Also, you need to showcase certification, code repositories, and case studies. And you need to develop a professional online presence in the likes of LinkedIn, personal website, and the likes. For entrepreneurship and innovation in Internet of Things, it's actually a launch pad for innovation. Internet of Things is a launchpad for innovations, and the opportunity areas include smart products, data as a service, industrial Internet of Things solution, sustainability tech. And the steps to Internet of Things entrepreneurship include identifying a real problem, that is, you have to pinpoint the likes of pain points in healthcare, logistics, energy, etc. And also, there is need for prototype rapidly. Uh, that is the use of the shelf sensor, cloud platform, and open source tool. Also, next is validation with data, that is pilots with real user, collect feedback and iterate. And the next is secure funding. The next is secure funding, and the last one is scale responsibility, that is ensure security, privacy, scalability, and sustainability. For project management for Internet of Things system, why Internet of Things system projects? Internet of Things projects are complex. One is because of its multidisciplinary teams as it pertains to hardware, software, network, data, and security. Also, it's complex because of its integration of diverse technologies and platforms. And lastly, it's complex because of its high stake for security, reliability, and scalability. And key components of project management include planning and scoping, risk management, resource allocation, integration management, monitoring, and control. Looking at the ethical professional responsibility, the Internet of Things profession carry great responsibility, and it is very important to note the ethical aspect of it in terms of privacy, that is, collect minimal data, obtain informed consent, and also encrypt sensitive information. Another is security. Next is transparency, which is be clear about how data is used and how AI decisions are made. Another ethical imperative is fairness, that is, avoid bias in algorithm and ensure equitable access to Internet of Things benefits. And the last one is sustainability. And for professional standard, there is need to adhere to industry regulation. You need to maintain integrity and honesty in all professional interactions. You need to commit to continuous learning and mentorship. And lastly, you need to advocate for ethical practice within organization. If you have to build your Internet of Things career roadmap, I have these 5 career development plan for you. The first is self-assessment. You need to evaluate your personal strengths and technical interest and determine which specialized Internet of Things parts are you going or best fits your profile. And the next is skill acquisition. You have to combine formal education with specialized certification and add on laboratory projects to be able to build a balance of technical depth and leadership soft skills. Also, you need to gain experiences. You have to build professional credibilities through internship, entry level position, or by contributing to open source Internet of Things community and smart city volunteer projects. You need to also another is the network strategically. You have to network strategically. That is, you have to expand your industry reach by joining professional forums, attending global Internet of Things conferences, and also securing a mentor within your chosen specialization. And the last one is plan for growth. That is, you establish a timeline for short-term and long-term milestone, ensuring you regularly refresh your portfolio to stay relevant as technologies evolve. And you need to remember this. The Internet of Things feed rewards adaptability, curiosity, and ethical leadership. Your career is a journey, not a destination. In conclusion, you are not just building um, Internet of Things system. You are building the future. With the right skill, mindset, and ethics, you can shape a connected world that is intelligent, secure, and equitable, and suitable and sustainable. Thank you for going through the course together from Module 1 to Module 10. Please take your time to read, take your time to ask questions where you need, take your time to go online to also search for more information. Thank you.